The peanut insertion machine, designed and manufactured by OMAL in their state-of-the-art facility in Italy. The 3-axis, numerical-controlled machine is constructed on a heavy-duty steel frame for maximum rigidity. It offers a user-friendly PC interface for fast and simple setup. It's the ultimate solution for manufacturers looking to take advantage of both the Peanut 3 and Peanut 2 connecting systems. Requiring only a single user to operate, the machine drills and automatically inserts the peanut components with glue. There's also an option to add a vertical router to create the ramped keyhole slots, with a mechanical copier to ensure the milling depth is perfect every time, making it the all-in-one machining solution for the peanut system. The work table is divided into 4 zones with central and side fences. Each zone can be programmed for different machining operations. Double-action clamps perfectly secure the workpieces. As an additional feature, a laser can be installed for measuring the panel and auto-populating the program, reducing setup time and not requiring a skilled programmer to operate. Pendulum processing maximizes efficiency, starting the next operation as soon as the current one finishes. In this example, 16 panels have the final half of the machining completed in approximately 180 seconds, therefore processing 1 cabinet in 90 seconds and 40 cabinets per hour. With a large phenolic 1.3-meter table, double-action clamps, and an open frame, a massive range of panels can be machined and processed, from panels up to 2.6 meters and down to 20 millimeters. 2 peanuts can be inserted as close to 35 millimeters apart, shown here with the Peanut 2. Not requiring any glue or clamping time, the panels are ready for final assembly straight off the machine. Simply align the component with the slot and slide the panels together. 1 cabinet takes approximately 50 seconds to assemble, so up to 72 cabinets can be put together per hour. Also the perfect solution for framed cabinets, drawers, framed panels, closets, and more. The components self-clamp by using an internal ramp in the keyhole slot, creating a tight, strong, and invisible joint. Improve efficiency and decrease assembly time by using the peanut connecting system with the OMAL peanut insertion machine. Very low cost, strong joints, and fast assembly, the peanut components are the optimum solution for beautiful furniture with no visible connections. Contact Intelligent Fixings now for more information.